Morning, guys. I know every time when I see my ear pull up, but I tell you, natural ear not easy to deal with. Worse when I two of them I have to deal with. So I'm there this morning. There I make some bouquets, the emergency bouquet basically for a bride. So I have about 7 of them headband, boutonnieres and stuff I make, you know. So just around in the I'm work area. Around my work area, I go and make some bouquets, you see it. So but there I go and do what I have to do. Just go and deal with what I have to deal with. I see it. You know, a while ago me there and somebody asked me like what inspired you to do YouTube. I say basically me just want to let in people and you know let them in our life, entertain, because I'm an entertainer, yes. Entertain them and just, no say people in them have a down there or anything, or them want a video for just watch them, can know say them can bring up KNJ and watch them. So that was the reason. But sit down here a while ago now and watch Meet the Mitchells, and but I realize say really and truly though what them inspire me to start a YouTube channel. Because watching the Mitchells, them is just like me and Junior. Just me and Junior in a them. Every single thing. Like she have a shirt a while ago and Wayne have the shirt I put up and I say, oh guys, who would I make a shirt like this? Look on this. Only Tommy would I make a shirt like this. And he might laugh and he might say, oh, this nowhere else. And so, and me end up now, I say, oh, me would I make a shirt like that. And the same thing Junior would I say, a whole heap of things me see them do. And me just say me and Junior marriage or me and Junior through them. Minus the kids. You see it. So, if me for really, for answer the question over, it would have be who inspired me or us to start a YouTube channel, it would have been Tommy Chin and Wayne Marshall, Meet the Mitchells. So
Morning K&J clan. What I deal with people? Don't know the thing go. Another vlog man in the sea. Skull work again. Don't tell them. You see it? We don't know. There. And inside I go and do fair little thing, and me out in the hallway I go and watch football, because today EPL Saturday, see me? Just watch West Ham mash up Chelsea. See me I say 3-2 that done for 1 now. See me I go take in the Liverpool and Wolves game next. And then later me watch our Man City and what them name? Watford. You see me? So they don't know anything go. That's another vlog. It's another day. There with you guys. I don't know the thing already, you know. New to the channel. And all who know new and now watch the thing them, remember. Main thing. Like, left a comment, don't know. You know we take suggestions. You see me? Just left a comment. Share the video. And if you're new, you don't know, you subscribe. Watch a fast one. Watch
I think that somebody out here talk to.
You see? She left her work, you know. Because she hear mumbling, you know, and she come out, you know, and come look.
No, I wonder who him out here talk to. So I come look to see who want to be a part of the conversation.
Yeah, me a mistake.
You want to talk to Misty?
Yes. So, if you don't know the thing, guys, you just go and watch the video. I want to see what we have got you for the day. Yeah, me hold that thing so long, it now catch me little thing up here so we can go on with it. See? Can do this, you know?
But I want it not up, so I'm flat it.
Yeah, guys, so go and big up on yourself. And you don't know. There.
Still at it, guys. We'll make 5 bouquets already, and I have 2 more or 3 more to go on some boutonnieres and some ring pillows and all work and things. So I have the bridal one and she need a mini bride and things. So still at it from 6 o'clock this morning and it's now a while ago we check after 12. So when I sweat, I'm there around here not even hot. Which one me there not even hot. I'm cool and I'm still a sweat. Sweat a kill me, so you know say I will leave work. But me there just a go and start out with me and start out to try Europe and finish because I want to go over LinkedIn. But the place look like it about to rain, so I'm not even really too sure if I'm still going to go over there. I might just have to do that in our next vlog. But guys, we have a lot of things in store coming. A lot of things coming for January. You see, so I try to take the whole of December to try start it out so we can get it up and running for you guys in January. So, gonna just stay tuned and touch base with them again.
Yeah, people. Back again. Yeah, so the ball game done, you know. No? Watch Liverpool scrape a little 1-0 win. Last kick of the game. And City just beat up Watford. You see me? And Kayan called me say she need help. Because she make some bouquet as I said earlier. You see me? So gun in her hand, ribbon pan finger. Yeah, so the so I go on. So yo, I'm here the hardest part I work. You see me? Sorry for if the fan noise I make, sorry, but in your hat. You see me? So me have the most difficult part of the work. Look, see? Tell you hard boy. How much thing me have to do over here? So look there. See that? Look, see? So what I'm gonna do is a tutorial.
Hey!
Yo, if you name a business off of me, you know?
What?
On a case bouquet if you name Junior and Case.
Monkey shots.
My name will go first. Right, people?
Right.
Thumbs up. So look, see? I'm gonna take the glue gun. I put a little bit of glue on it right there, you know. Go across like so. Scram me, I miss. It's not a good tutorial.
Bomba.
New word.
Where you get it ready from?
Me
It's a
just make
new
it up,
word,
man.
sorry.
You know your bolt of word and Tanto blocks and everybody.
So you want word?
Me want have my one word. You see me? See that now? Look, see? Yeah. That's it. So me have about 1,000 more of them you have to do. I lie, I know so much.
You might talk about him have 1,000 more of them if you do. So me just finish the boutonniere them. Me show on already when me do the bouquet them and put them together. And now we might do the ribbon them for foot pan. The round the skirt today. I have 8 band for go make. I have mini bridal veil for go make. I have ring pillow for make. Yeah? I'm gonna cut out the phone make for ring pillow. And when I have the hardest part, I should have even do it from 6 o'clock this morning movie. I'm gonna check the time now.
You know me I do it?
From 6 o'clock this morning movie, I'm gonna check the time now.
It is now.
3:58.
Just like a while that
Just
people. Just like a while she can talk about Ray.
So the amount of bouquet I do, so much of them on the ground there.
Yeah. You know the thing.
Whole leap. So.
We are trying to excuse my shirt up there, sir. It's not a towel, it's I'm a work shirt. Just hang it up there for a minute. You see me? We have briefly set up in another area like a little workstation for do a little sit down session with you, and Kayan work area, general work area. You see me? So take it out of the bedroom because in the kind of when she start working this one, brother. A warehouse that in the pull up. You see it, so you know the thing of people with there. You see me, and we are going to do a little thing. Me I try help as best as I can because I can't make bouquet. She give me a little simple task and me match it. You see me? So
this is say my liar. Yes, we just say this is say my liar. Liar.
Me confess say it's simple. Okay, it's not as hard as I try to make it look. It is very simple. She has the hardest part. She does the hardest part.
Me tell you man, the brother I par with him friend them too much. Too much a roach man, boy. Come roach lie and then no him just a follow him a be lie. Two of them lie like last week. So yes guys, I don't know a thing already. May I go and try match up them here if she come pick them up later because it's a rush thing. And I don't want to disappoint the client, so I couldn't turn it down. Plus, you know, I'm not tying down the money. So, we have to just go and shut it up so she can come and get it tonight for her mother wedding tomorrow. So, me touch in again. We buy some food already still. And we see
rain a fall. Boom, big Jones people rain a fall at Portmore.
That fall, it's a drizzle.
It fall a little bit, man, because the road wet. Normally, when time rain drizzle, the road now wet. Your vehicle pass and you hear.
I want to little drizzle in that drizzle for long, so it make your road wet up.
Then now fall good time, and mama say sounded hot enough. No take no time to road dry when time rain fall up Portmore and everything.
So it's a sure say not dry up.
No,
And the
dry,
people
man.
in
You
the
hear
carry
me
so
just
it's a sure say carry them water from them wheel from the yard.
Oh.
So we touch base with them again. Maybe a little more we go consume some food. We go and talk to one thing. You see that I don't know already. Don't mind me here as I saying every day earlier. Naturally, I know easy thing to deal with. So I have to set my mind.
I work mode and no work mode. So she get a pass.
4 to 5 business month.
What?
Before me come here. So we touch base again.
4 to 5 business month.
Yes, we're still there. I'm still not finished yet. And now I was 6:47 a while ago. I check the time. So just had them little boy at we bouquet them I know and thing we see it some just don't make this like a mini bride. And whoo, back a kill me. As I try hurry up and try to finish or make some headband as well, put them out there way and things on this. I try clear up everything so I give myself to about the next hour or there about to finish. Ooh, my back hurt me. So me check in with them again. So yes, we finally finished. And this is the finished product. Boutonnieres. Okay. Ring pillow, headband, mini braid headband. So I'm finally finished. We can go fresh up and woo, finally get something to eat. I'm back at it again tomorrow. So I just finished, as I just shown the bouquet them a while ago and thing. I'm still come back around with enough self. I try to put other things together before I go bed. So I just finished. As I say, I go have a bath and get something to eat and come off of my foot because my foot them so well up. I am so tired. I can't stop saying I am so tired. What's what Junior up to? Him just finished bed. Say my fortunate one bed. And I eat some food.
Yeah, boy. I'm going to get this. It's too cold.
Him not like fries when it's cold. I'm going to buy loaded fries. And him not like it when it's cold. You know from when I tell the boys I forgot to eat the fries? So, there, as I say, I go fresh up and come off of my foot them. I done pack away things them already and take out what I want for work for tomorrow. And leave them on the table. So morning I get up again at 6 o'clock and get on it because I have the whole of them I have to send out as soon as supposed to start go out play. As you see, I have one for go out tomorrow, I have some for go out Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, every day after that. So I have to get panicked, you know. But there was a nice day today. The place never too hot because the rain did drew, so the place is kind of overcast, so it never really too hot. But I'm here, guys. I'm so tired, and they can't come help me make them bouquet and stay. So I think I'm gonna say my own family. Come help me make the bouquet, them man. So yes, guys, we just finished bed and eat some food, and so I go sleep now. Junior gonna sleep already. That's just my time to go sleep now. So it was such a fun day hanging with you guys today. Get a whole heap of work done. And back at it again tomorrow. Look at my eyes, I'm red. My eyes are so red. I'm tired. So We check on the next time. See, me go hold some sleep. Maybe not, me go up on the phone first till the phone start, but I may not drop asleep. But guys, when you don't know the thing to do already, like, comment, subscribe, and share up the video them. And remember to stay safe. So we soon again, alright?